Welcome to our video on index funds versus individual stocks. Investing in the stock market can be intimidating. Let's break it down. Index funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks. This reduces risk and increases potential for long-term growth. It's a popular choice for beginners. Individual stocks, on the other hand, involve buying shares of a specific company. This can be riskier, but also offers potential for higher returns. It's essential to do your research. When investing in individual stocks, it's crucial to understand the company's financials, management team, and industry trends. This helps you make informed decisions. Index funds typically have lower fees compared to individual stocks. This can save you money in the long run and increase your overall returns. Diversification is key when investing in individual stocks. Spread your portfolio across various sectors to minimize risk and maximize potential gains. Historically, index funds have performed well over the long term. They provide broad market exposure and tend to be less volatile than individual stocks. However, individual stocks can offer higher returns if you invest in the right companies. It's essential to have a solid understanding of the market and the companies you're investing in. When investing in index funds, you can choose from various types, such as total stock market, S&P 500, or international funds. Each offers unique benefits and risks. It's also important to consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you decide between index funds and individual stocks. Ultimately, a combination of both index funds and individual stocks can provide a well-rounded portfolio. This approach can help you balance risk and potential returns. Before making any investment decisions, educate yourself and consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan. By understanding the pros and cons of index funds and individual stocks, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions. Start building your wealth today.